Attention! All the stunts in this video are performed by professionals and recorded by professionals. Do not try this at home. Go! Okay, materials needed. Dog bed, bucket, rope, and golf cart. You'll need the rope to tie onto the bucket and tie it what they call secure hoop. And then once you have it secured on the bucket, bring it over to the golf cart and make sure it's secured 3 loops around. Your next step is to get into the bucket. Quite simple. Okay, place your legs in front, sit down, and voila, you're in the bucket and ready to go. Hold on, go. When being driven in the golf cart, make sure you have an experienced driver or an adult to drive you in the process. I'll honk the horn when I'm ready to go. Goodbye. You ready? Are you ready, Maddie? Got a little bloody, but it was totally worth it. Woo! Ow. Ow. Thanks for watching our bucket sled